Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering the calculator and verifying the screen contrast so numbers display clearly. Next, set mode to the correct angle unit and display format because every function depends on that choice. Once done, clear unnecessary programs or variables to avoid conflicts. Use the memory menu when values persist. Make sure the home screen reads 0 so you know calculations will start fresh. These first steps prevent common errors and establish the environment for reliable results. You now enter the actual math. Type expressions using parentheses to enforce order and use alpha to insert variables like x. When an input has a mistake, navigate with the arrow keys and delete or insert characters. Editing in place is faster than retyping. For complex structures, open the math or second catalogs to insert fraction templates, exponents, and roots so syntax is correct. Once the expression looks right, press Enter to evaluate and confirm the result before proceeding. You finish by plotting and analyzing results. Enter functions in y equals and adjust window or use zoom to frame the graph appropriately. Once graphed, use trace to inspect values and the calc menu for roots, intersections, and extrema. These tools turn visuals into answers. If results are wrong, check mode settings, mismatched parentheses, and any residual stored variables that may override inputs. One quick troubleshooting tip. Reset RAM to clear ghost variables if unexpected values.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.